ever tried building a landing page in HubSpot? If you did, then you know it's not easy. Our Impressa Theme UI Kit offers killer solutions to main pain points. First of all, it's easy to share with your teammates. You can either share the link, and the great thing about it is that they don't even need to download the program. They can just open it in any browser, or you can type in their email directly. Then it it's very easy to build the landing pages, web pages, or email blasts using our ready-to-use models. We included HubSpot best practices while we were building those models so that you don't need to worry that your landing page will not work. Let me quickly show you how it works. First of all, go to the assets on your left and start with the navigation bar. Okay, let me move it here. Start with the navigation bar. There it is. Just select the one that you like and drag and drop it right here. Then we can use some hero header. Let's say we can use this one. Couple of features. Just adjust it to your needs. Okay. And maybe some form. Form and a footer. Okay, there's the footers. And there you have it, a working landing page that took less than 5 minutes to build. All you need is just to adjust it according to your style guide.